Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. There is big news for the MBA aspirants. CAT 2025 official notification is out and the registrations has already been started. So today with this video I will walk you through all the details you need to know, like about the important dates, examination pattern, syllabus, top MBA colleges which accept the score of the CAT, and your preparation strategy. That everything we will discuss with this single video. So if you are preparing for the CAT 2025, this video is going to be your complete guide. So coming to the most awaited part, that is about the important dates. So the last date of publication will be 13th September 2025 and your examination date will be 30th November 2025. There are all the AIIMS and more than 12,000 plus business school accept the score of the CAT MBA entrance examination for the admission process. So if you are preparing for the CAT 2025, make sure to mark your calendars and don't wait till the last minute to register. Next is who can apply. So if you have a bachelor's degree with minimum of 50% marks and 45% marks for the reserve category candidates are eligible. If you are in final year, then also you are eligible to apply. There is no age limit for the CAT and the students with all the academic backgrounds are eligible to apply for this entrance examination. CAT is the computer based test with 3 sections and the overall time duration of 2 hours. So here is the breakdown. For the VRC, verbal ability and reading comprehension, overall 40 minutes are over there. DILR, data interpretation and logical reasoning, 40 minutes. QA, quantitative ability, 40 minutes. Each section is time bound, means you can't switch in between them. So overall there are 66 questions, some are the MCQs and some are non-MCQs. If we consider about the overall marking scheme, then +3 for the correct and -1 for the wrong. And there is no negative marking for the TETA questions. CAT does not have a defined syllabus, but based on the past year trends, these are some topics you need to prepare for. Like coming to the very first section is VRC. So in that, reading comprehension, which has 70% weightage, para jumbles, odd one out and sentence completion. In the DILR, bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, then logical puzzles, tables and data sufficiency. In the quantitative ability, arithmetic, algebra, number system, geometry and modern math. So these are some topics from all the 3 sections you should definitely prepare for. First prepare for the basics and then move to the advanced level questions. Here's how you can apply. Visit the official website, that is iimcat.ac.in. Register with your email and phone number. Fill the application form carefully. Then upload the documents like photo signature, category certificate if applicable and pay the fees. The overall application fees, it is 2,400 for the general category candidates and 1,200 for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Once the application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation via email and SMS. CAT is the gateway for all the AIIMS and there are more than 12,000 plus business schools which accept the score of the CAT MBA entrance examination. There are old, new and baby AIIMS, like old AIIMS like Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore and Mumbai accept the score of the CAT MBA entrance examination. New AIIMS and baby AIIMS also accept the score of the CAT entrance examination. Then there are other non-AIIM top institutes are also over there like SPJMR, FMS, Faculty of Management Studies, which is the best institute in the category of return on investment. Then MDI Gurgaon is also over there. Then there are many IITs which provides the MBA program. So they also accept the score of the CAT entrance examination for the admission process. So these are some colleges you can consider through the CAT entrance examination. Cutoff for each college varies, but securing above 98 percentile in the CAT opens the door of many top colleges. Now the big question is what's new in the CAT 2025? So as per the official notification, there is no change in the pattern. Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode is organizing the CAT 2025. Now let's talk about the strategy. So if you are starting from now, so here's a plan. In the month of August and September, you can build basic in all the 3 sections. Start with the arithmetic, reading comprehension and logical puzzles and take a topic wise test. Then in the month of October, start full length mocks, analyze mistakes and focus on time management. In the month of November, focus on revision and mock analysis, then practice question selection and build a strength for 2-hour focused attempts. Make sure you attempt at least 30 plus mocks in your preparation and analyze each mock deeply. And the most important thing is don't just focus on the accuracy, just chase behind the attempts, because attempting the mock test is the key success to your CAT entrance examination. So this is all about the CAT 2025. CAT is the test of strategy and practice. It is not just about the intelligence. So make sure you maintain consistency throughout your preparation. Wish you all the very best for your CAT 2025. In between, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.